You don't shoot. Whoa! You shot the horse.
Yeah.
Good job, Bubba. You gonna shoot it again? Okay, remember how you hold the bow. There you go. Put your hands in the right spot.
Put your hand right here. Yeah, go splinter. Put your hand right here.
Put your hand in the right spot.
Remember. Alright, there you go. Now drop your hand down here. That's right here, remember. Now, what are you doing?
He's trying to do it left-handed.
Yeah, he tried to do it left-handed before. He always ended up doing back to it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, grab it right here. Remember how that we just talked? We just did this. Here. Right here. Grab this. Grab the other hand here.
A little higher.
And now look down the arrow. You're not paying attention, buddy. You done?
No,
Okay.
I'm not done.
Here you go.
Show Mama how you do it.
No, here, look, Raymond.
Show me how. I don't know. You and Daddy show me how to do it.
Come here, give me that. Look, remember? You gotta hold it like this, remember?
See how Daddy's... He just wants to stick it in his pocket. What are you doing?
You gonna shoot? Got it? Alright, now grab hold of this bow.
Raina, grab a hold of the bow.
Raymond, quit. Quit video.
Okay.